Understanding demand proof in English. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into a commonly used English phrase, demand proof. Understanding this phrase is crucial, as it's often used in both casual conversations and formal discussions. So, let's get started. When someone says they demand proof, they are asking for evidence or confirmation that supports a statement or claim. It's not just a casual request. To demand means to ask for something forcefully or with authority. So, when proof is demanded, it shows that the person is serious about verifying the truth. This phrase can be used in various contexts, such as in legal situations, academic discussions, or everyday life. For instance, if someone tells a story that seems unbelievable, you might respond by saying, "I demand proof." This means you want them to provide evidence to back up their story. Let's see demand proof in action. A lawyer might say, "We demand proof of the defendant's whereabouts on the night of the crime." In a classroom, a teacher could ask, "Can you demand proof from the author for these claims?" In a debate, one might argue, "Without solid evidence, how can we demand proof?" Now, it's your turn to practice. Think of a situation where you might need to demand proof and write down what you would say. Share it with a partner or in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Remember, asking for evidence is a natural part of communication, and saying, "I demand proof," is a strong way to express your need for verification. We hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase confidently. See you in our next lesson.